Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So Nail Reserve sent over some more gel polishes for me to try out. So thank you Nail Reserve for sending me these gel polishes. So I'm just unboxing those. I like to be surprised when I open the box to see what colors they sent. And so it came with, I think the package had 6 or 7 gel polishes in there, and these polishes are from Nail Reserve's new Glorious collection. And so I don't have all of the polishes from the collection, just some of them. And so I'm just taking those out of the box, and we're gonna open these up and take a look. You guys know I love me some Nail Reserve gel polishes. They're nicely pigmented. In most cases, they are one coat coverage. So this first color is caramel or caramel, however you want to say it. A nice neutral color. I love it. I love me some neutrals, and that one right there is nice. The next color is Ravishingly Naked. I spelled it wrong on my swatch stick, and I was like, you know how to spell, why you do that? But this is more like a light, almost mauve purple with pink undertones type color. This one is Walk in the Woods. This kind of reminded me of Red Dirt, but it's not, kind of like that Aztec type vibe or color scheme. Really nice color. Precious Mate, which is a nice gray, perfect for the fall/winter, which a lot of these colors were perfect for fall/winter. Really like that gray as well. And this one was my favorite, You're a Beauty. Nice, I call it honey mustard, that dark gold honey mustard. I actually end up doing my mani in this video with that color because I loved it. Paradise Fiesta. This is more of a jelly type yellow color. And you can see there when just looking at the color itself on the brush, it looks like a jelly consistency, not consistency, but type color as far as it's really sheer. And the last color, I forgot the name of that color, but look at that yellow, bright. And this one is Not Ashamed, a nice glitter. Now this was a nice glitter. I was deciding on doing the You're a Beauty versus this color. Look at there. Look, y'all better quit playing. Y'all better quit playing. So here are 4 of the color swatch. Look, I spelled Ravishingly so wrong. I was like, what? But you guys know these swatch sticks, this set of 4 colors is one coat with the no wipe top coat from Nail Reserve on top of there. And then these 2, I did end up doing 2 coats on the swatch stick, just because it gave better coverage with these particular colors. Again, these are all, I had 8 colors in total. All pretty. But get you some. So guys, coming up is a screenshot from the site with the entire collection. Again, this is the Glorious collection by Nail Reserve. Look at nice neutrals, perfect for fall. Reminds me of leaves changing on trees and things like that. You know, can't complain about them, not one bit. So here's the swatch. I'm missing a few, but that's okay. Look at that Tiffany red and sassy is pretty. I like those. Of course, the colors may vary on your screen. Ooh, Mountain Walk was nice too. And so I do have on 1 coat of UNT Ready for Takeoff Pillable Base Coat. And then I followed that with Nail Reserve's the base, which Nail Reserve was formerly known as Nail Addict. So that's why my base says Nail Addict. So I applied the base and cured for 30 seconds. And so guys, yeah, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. So here is the Euro Beauty color, 2 coats on each nail. I then applied no wipe top coat and cured for 30 seconds. So you guys know I'm not gonna leave my nails plain. I just can't bring myself to do that. It is rare. If I do that, that means I'm tired. So I have some nail foils that I purchased last year off Amazon. And when I saw Euro Beauty, I was like, ooh, let me go find my nail foils for the fall. I think these was like more so Thanksgiving fall. So I couldn't decide between just the leaves versus the other one. The other roll had Happy Thanksgiving on it. And I was like, Happy Thanksgiving? Definitely won't be putting that on my nails. So of course, it would have been easier to cut out the leaves and do that, but you know, I was not going to do that. So I'm going in with some foil transfer gel from iGel Beauty. I'm going to apply that to my ring finger and my thumbnail, and I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so I've cut out part of that first roll that I had, and so I'm going to apply, I had branches with some foliage on there, and so I'm going to apply that after I finish curing that, did I say jewelry gel? Foil gel for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. I'm placing the foil, after curing, I'm placing the foil, and I have my nail art tweezers that I got from Color My World Dips, and I'm just using the silicone end just to rub, and just, guys, so you know, when you're working with foils, transparent foils, from what I found, transfer much easier than the other type of nail foils. I have like a full coverage image, or they're not transparent. And so once I get that on there, I'm applying more foil transfer gel. I don't know why I keep wanting to form my mouth to say jewelry gel, because it's not jewelry gel. So I wanted to apply more because it kind of had like an empty space on the nail. So I'm cutting out the butterfly, and I'm going to apply more foil gel, foil transfer gel, cure for 60 seconds. You see that little empty space right on the right hand side of that nail, and then I'm going to apply that, and I'm just applying it to part of the nail, not the full nail, and cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and stick that butterfly where I want it to be, and rub. And once I feel like the image has transferred, I'm going to remove that transparent portion of that image. Now I'm going in and repeating that process on my thumbnail. And so once I finish, look at there, got stuck to there. So once I finish applying that, I'm going to apply more foil transfer gel, cure for 60 seconds. And then on that same roll, there's some pine cones. And so I'll be placing 2 pine cones. What is going on, Lord? 2 pine cones on that thumbnail just to fill in some empty space to cover the nail. So after I am going in, or after the placement of the foil, I'm going in with Nail Reserve's No Wipe Top Coat. And this is just a set of crystals, Swarovski crystals that I got off, I think, Daily Charm. Really pretty, nice and vibrant. They have fall-like colors in that set. There's a mix, and so I applied the top coat off camera and applied a single cuticle rhinestone to each nail. And so here's the finished look, guys, nice and shiny. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil and massage that in. Look how pretty that color is. At least it's pretty to me. I don't know about y'all, but it's pretty to me. And so again, I'm applying my some cuticle oil and massaging that in. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button or icon. Give it a thumbs up if you like what you see. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. And subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next week.